Hi, my name is Dan Pergett, sales consultant with MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota. Today we're looking at a pre-owned 2019 250 Outrage by Boston Whaler. As you can see, they had a windlass anchor added up front. Got the nice T-top, hard top. Beautiful blue exterior. This boat's powered by two 200 horsepower Mercury engines. Inside this 25 Outrage, got some storage for your poles, some storage for your bigger poles there. Got a live well here in the back, a couple cup holders. As you'll see in the pictures, there's a seat that folds out right over here. This one does come with a sound system. Got a Marine touch screen. Got a Fusion audio system, active trim. Here in the front, you have a nice cushions up front. You also have some storage underneath here, as well as non-slip texture, so you can fish off of that. Under this seat, there's a live well. Nice, easy to access. And then an extremely spacious head in this one. This boat is dirty, so I do apologize for that. It does need to be cleaned. Overall, it's an amazing looking boat. Slightly used. Got the nice T-top. Again, my name is Dan Pergett, sales consultant with MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota. Stop out and check this boat out today.